Hi everybody, I hope you guys are doing great. So without wasting much time, let us get started with our understanding of the market. Now, so guys, this is our Telegram channel. So make sure that you follow us on Telegram. Today as well, I first updated that we can see a momentum on the upside or downside based on the opening range. And then I also left a text, alarming the members that, markets are very volatile, and just look over here that you should trail your profits very tight. So just trail the profits very tight. Now what is the meaning of trailing the profits very tight? It simply means that you are protecting your profits, right? So I will take you to the screen and explain all of that at the end of the video. Don't worry about that. And it was so good to see that one of the learner actually made the best out of this particular alert, as you can see on the screen. Now let's move forward to the best stocks to trade tomorrow. So guys, the first stock on my radar is Kotak Bank Mahindra. If you see, this was a crucial support. The market took support exactly at the same area at this point of time, and if we zoom in, we can see that after this strong candle, it was consolidating for so many days, and we again have a very strong bullish momentum. So if we go to something like a 15 minutes time frame, you'll be able to understand the price action in a much better way. Now just have a look at this. If this range is taken out on the upside, if I try to mark and touch maximum levels, right, so we can go long above 1850 with the stop loss being over here, which is this particular red candle low, which is 1834. So we are getting a small stop loss by which we can take this trade. So now the second stock on my radar is PVR. Again, very interesting price action happening. So if you look at PVR over here, this was the crucial support that we are talking about over here, and then now we have a bullish engulfing candle. Can you see over here? So what is a bullish engulfing candle, everyone? Do you know what is a bullish engulfing candle? If not, I will just explain this to you quickly. Bullish engulfing candle simply means that the buyers over here, they are completely able to engulf the seller. So we had some selling pressure over here, right? Now this particular open and the high of this particular, the body of this candle is covering the entire body of this bearish candle, correct? So we can see strong momentum here as well. Let's go to shorter time frame, something like a 15 minutes time frame, to understand what's happening. Even on 15 minutes time frame, it is pretty much clear that we can go long above this level. Here the stop loss is little far because we can see the nearest swing is very far, but let's assume that tomorrow the market opens flat and then gives a breakout. Then we can probably shift our stop loss to somewhere over here, but that depends on where the market opens. So this is PVR for you. Let's move on to the next stock. So guys, this is the chart of Havells on a daily time frame. If you see, it is forming nothing but a good W pattern in formation. So maybe tomorrow we will see a very strong momentum in Havells. And if I take you to something like hourly time frame, you will be able to understand the price action even much better. So if you see, it is continuously hitting this particular resistance again and again. And tomorrow we can see a likely breakout out of these resistances over here, right? And let's go to 15 minutes time frame to mark our stop loss as well. So above these levels we can go long, which is 1208, and our stop loss can be somewhere over here, which is 1197. So I'll just place it a little higher. Yeah, so this is 1199. Okay, this will be our stop loss. So again, we are getting a small stop loss in this case as well, which is Havells. Let's move on to the next stock, which we have been talking about, that is Cholafin. Again, quite interesting this stock. So we have been talking about Cholafin ever since it gave a breakout at these levels. If you see, while the market was falling very sharply, this stock did not fall much, right? So that is a good sign. But we are also getting an opportunity for intraday purpose. So as you can see, it was consolidating within this range, right? Look at these candles over here, closing over here. For 5 days it was closing exactly at the same area. And now with the breakout, also have a look at the volume that we see on the buying side, right? Now let's go to something like an hourly time frame to see what's happening. So even on an hourly time frame, as you can see, it is now trading above all these clusters, right? Above all these clusters. Let's go to 15 minutes time frame now to figure out our entries. The entry is very simple. Since we are bullish in the stock, we can buy it if it opens flat somewhere over here, correct, with this as our stop loss. So guys, these are the stocks that you can trade tomorrow. Make sure that you manage your risk well. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and make sure that you join the Telegram community. The link for the same is in the description section. With that note, guys, thank you so much. I hope you are learning a lot day by day. Thank you so much, guys.